Lug wrenches have been a staple in garages for years, but the Ken Tool Stow and Go takes this classic tool to a whole new level. Made in the USA by a trusted manufacturer, this innovative wrench is engineered for versatility and ease of use. Unlike traditional folding wrenches that come apart, the Stow and Go features a clever design that allows it to fold up like a tripod, with sliding arms that transform it from a cross shape into a T shape. This transformation gives you multiple options to tackle different tasks, making it much more functional than your average lug wrench. The sockets on the Ken Tool Stow and Go fit nuts ranging from 17 to 21 millimeters, which means it's the perfect tool for most vehicles. Whether you're working on your car, truck, or even a trailer, this wrench has you covered. And when it's not in use, it folds neatly into a compact size and slips into a narrow pouch. This makes it incredibly convenient for storage, and it's always ready to go whenever you need it. Imagine pulling this out of your garage toolbox. You might even feel like an F1 mechanic, performing tasks with the precision and efficiency of a pro. The Ken Tool Stow and Go proves that compact design and reliability can go hand in hand, offering you a tool that's both space-saving and highly effective. At a reasonable price for the convenience and functionality it provides. This tool is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their garage organized and functional. Stick around, because we've got more tools coming your way that will make your garage life not just easier, but more efficient and enjoyable than ever. After countless miles on the road, your car deserves more than just a quick rinse. To truly protect your engine and keep it running smoothly, you need to clean the entire coolant system. And that's where the Laser Tools Coolant System Flusher comes in. This powerful tool connects directly to your radiator, flushing out all the buildup and debris that can accumulate over time. With a simple pull of the trigger on the handle, you can boost the pressure for a more thorough clean. The versatile rubber nozzle fits 5 different hose sizes, making it suitable for everything from modern vehicles to rare collector cars. Whether you're looking to maintain a daily driver or preserve a classic, this tool gets the job done. A clean coolant system ensures better engine performance, improved efficiency, and a longer-lasting motor. Don't settle for just surface cleaning. Make sure your system is sparkling clean from the inside out. By doing so, you're giving your engine the care it deserves, preventing costly repairs down the road. At just a fraction of the cost of an engine overhaul, the Laser Tools Coolant System Flusher is an essential piece of equipment for anyone who values their car's performance. Stick around, because there's even more essential garage gear to make your DIY maintenance easier than ever. Accidents happen more often than we'd like to admit, and falling into inspection pits is one of them. In fact, the creators of Pitprotector say it happens more than you'd think, and it's entirely preventable. That's where their innovative protective covers come in. These sturdy plates with reinforced rakes act as a solid barrier, blocking accidental access to the pit, ensuring you stay safe while working. And for those who want even more advanced protection, Pitprotect offers a sliding curtain that expands to nearly 3 times its size, locking securely on both sides. This gives you an added layer of safety, whether you're working on a car or just keeping the garage tidy. What's even better? You don't have to worry about cumbersome setup. These covers are designed for quick installation and use, making them not just safe, but also incredibly convenient. If you're looking for peace of mind and maximum protection in your garage, Pitprotect is a smart investment. Stick with us, because we've got more ingenious garage gear coming your way to make your workspace safer and more efficient. Ever dropped a bolt into the abyss of your engine compartment? Don't leave it to luck or gravity. The Toolpro magnetic pickup tool is here to save the day and your sanity. With its flexible wire, this handy gadget can navigate tight spaces between the engine and the box effortlessly, ensuring you won't miss that stray bolt. At the end of the tool is a powerful magnet that grabs metal parts with ease, making sure no bolt, screw, or nut is left behind. Whether you're working in tight, hard-to-reach spaces or simply need a little extra help, this tool has you covered. Comfort is key, and the Toolpro magnetic pickup tool doesn't disappoint. Its molded plastic handle ensures a secure grip, making retrieval a breeze. Just be sure not to lose the tool itself. It's a lifesaver, but small enough to slip away if you're not careful. Priced at $23, this tool is an absolute steal, especially when you consider the cost of losing those little metal parts that are critical to your project. If you're on the lookout for more ingenious tools to make life in the garage easier, stay tuned. There's plenty more in store. The TRAC tire jack is a total game changer, completely reimagining the classic lever tool for modern convenience. If you're tired of struggling with those old-school tire jacks, this sleek, curved steel plate with a roller is here to save your back and your time. While it looks simple, it's engineered to make mounting tires onto hubs easier than ever before. What makes this tool stand out is its ingenious design. Instead of forcing you to use excessive strength, the roller does the heavy lifting for you, reducing strain and making tire mounting feel almost effortless. With its 3.5 kilograms weight and 50 centimeters length, the TRAC tire jack is both lightweight and durable, ready for countless tire changes without losing any of its power. It's a perfect blend of portability and robustness, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. At just $150, this tool is a bargain when you think about the time and energy it saves you. Plus, it adds a touch of professionalism to any garage setup. If you've been looking for a way to elevate your garage game, this tire jack is the tool you need. Stick around, because we've got even more incredible garage tools coming your way. Things are just getting started. Imagine a chair that's not just a seat, but your ultimate garage sidekick. Meet the Ergo Chair. This innovative work seat is designed for mechanics and car enthusiasts who value both efficiency and comfort. Whether you're sitting, lying down, rolling back, or sliding forward, the Ergo Chair adapts to your needs. At its lowest setting, it sits just 12 centimeters off the ground, perfect for those close-up inspections. Need a little more height for bigger tasks? Raise it up to 53 centimeters for maximum flexibility. But here's where it gets even better. It transforms into a creeper, making it incredibly versatile. No more crawling around on the floor to get under the car. And if you're tired of losing your tools, the Ergo Chair has 3 spacious drawers to keep your nuts and washers organized. Plus, a built-in magnet ensures your wrench stays right where you need it. Durability? No worries. This chair can support up to 159 kilograms, so it's built to last. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend tinkerer, this chair will completely transform how you work in your garage. Priced at $625, it's an investment in comfort, productivity, and efficiency. And we're just getting started. Stick around, because the next invention could be the one you never knew you needed. For wiring and circuit board enthusiasts, the IRODA Solder Pro is an absolute game changer. This multifunctional soldering iron features a slim tip, making it perfect for working on tight connections in even the most cramped spaces. It provides precision where you need it most, making your work clean and efficient. Thanks to great flame control, you can count on perfect results every time you fire it up. And safety is a top priority. There's a safety switch next to the start button to help prevent accidents while you work. Refilling the soldering iron is a breeze too, with a butane valve conveniently located on the handle. If you need to release gas, simply use something sharp to adjust it. The kit comes with 10 different tips, ensuring you're prepared for any task or project that comes your way. At just $37, the IRODA Solder Pro is an affordable must-have tool for any workshop or garage, and you can find it on Amazon. But don't go anywhere. There's even more amazing gear coming up to level up your DIY projects. Stay tuned. Ever started a simple oil change, only to end up with a mess of clogged, dirty, or broken parts? That's where the SCA parts washer comes in. This portable lifesaver is designed to tackle tough grime and keep your garage organized and clean. This all-in-one unit combines a 60 LO tank for water-based solvents, a powerful pump, and a built-in sink, offering you seamless cleaning in one compact package. Its flexible spout delivers up to 3 liters of solvent per minute, making quick work of stubborn grease and grime, saving you time and frustration. But that's not all. The clever design includes a grad bottom, which ensures that small bolts and screws stay securely in place while you work, so you won't lose any vital parts during the cleaning process. Its integrated design means no extra tools or attachments to worry about. Everything you need is built right in, making it hassle-free and efficient. Priced at $253, the SCA parts washer is an investment that pays off with every spotless part you clean. It's the ultimate solution for all your garage cleaning needs. Stick around, because there's more innovative gear coming your way to revolutionize the way you work in the garage. Slime Garage Air Inflation Station is the perfect solution for anyone tired of struggling with flat tires or inflating gear. The Slime 470 mini compressor makes the job effortless, giving you reliable inflation whenever you need it. This compact yet powerful device mounts directly to your wall, saving space while staying within reach. Just plug it into an outlet and you're good to go. With its 6-meter hose, it can reach every tire in your garage. Cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, even trailers. Plus, a built-in pressure gauge ensures perfect inflation every time, so you never have to worry about overinflating. The best part? It's not just for tires. From gardening tools to inflatable toys, this little powerhouse handles it all. The creators like to joke that the slime compressor is always ready but never in the way, and they're absolutely right. It's sleek, efficient, and versatile enough for any household or garage. And at just $65, it's a no-brainer investment for convenience and peace of mind. But don't go anywhere yet. The next invention might just be the game changer your garage has been missing. Meet the AIM Tools 2-pack steel car ramps, your ultimate garage upgrade. These heavy-duty ramps can support up to 5 tons, meaning even a Hummer H1 can roll up with confidence. Their smooth, gradual incline allows even low-clearance cars to climb up without scraping the bumper. No more awkward angles or stressful adjustments. But that's just the start. These ramps are equipped with hand-operated hydraulic cylinders, giving you full control without the hassle of complex mechanics. No electricity, no complicated systems, just a simple, reliable design that works every time. Fewer moving parts mean fewer headaches. Whether you're changing oil or inspecting the undercarriage, these ramps provide the perfect lift without the risks of traditional jacks. Durability is another game changer. Weighing 36 kilograms, they are built to last, offering solid stability for any garage task. And let's talk about value. At just $222, these ramps are an absolute steal. A one-time investment for years of hassle-free maintenance. But hold on, we're just getting started. The next invention on this list might completely transform the way you use your garage, making every task smoother and more efficient. Stick around, you won't want to miss this one. Aries Tool Spanner Wrench Extender is the perfect fix for stubborn nuts and bolts that just won't budge. We've all been there, struggling to reach a tight spot, wishing for just a little extra length on the wrench. Some might even consider welding a rod to extend it. But let's be real, no one wants to ruin a perfectly good tool. That's where this ingenious wrench extender comes in. It attaches directly to your wrench, instantly giving you a longer handle for extra leverage. At 38 centimeters, it reduces the effort needed to loosen even the most stubborn bolts, all thanks to the power of physics. Less force, more torque, and no more struggling with tight spaces. The steel jaw design makes it incredibly versatile, fitting various wrench sizes and types, even adjustable ones. And at just $40, it's a game changer for DIYers and professionals alike. But here's the best part. We're just scratching the surface. The next invention on this list might completely change the way you tackle garage work, making everything faster, easier, and way more efficient. Stay tuned.